Everyone has stress in life. We may be facing a personal crisis, or we may simply be dealing with the pressures of modern life. Regardless of the situation, we can determine to put our trust in the Lord. He desires to empower us through distressing times. Psalms chapter 46 describes His willingness to help us in time of trouble. In verse 1, God is our refuge and strength, a very ready help in trouble. Verse 7, the Lord of armies is with us. The God of Jacob is our stronghold. And in verse 10, stop striving and know that I am God. In other words, stop attempting to fight life's battle on your own. Instead,